Hi everyone, welcome to geometry class. I'm Mr. Honor. Today we're going to look at some simple folding activities that begin with this setup right here, these two dots on this piece of paper. If you can print this up, that's great. If you can't, you can get your own piece of paper and draw a couple of dots on it. That's fine too. One nice thing about the printout is that the dots are nice and dark and they're large, and that will help us accomplish some of what we want to accomplish with the folding activities. Our first task is to fold this piece of paper so that the crease passes through both of these points. Now, if you've ever done origami, you've got kind of a leg up here. What you want to do is maybe wet your fingers and start rolling this paper so that you can see that crease maybe getting close to those points. It can also be helpful to lean back and look up at the light. And you can kind of see the points through the paper, but you get it to where you want, and then you make the fold, and hopefully you have something that looks like this. I didn't quite make it through that point. Maybe I could try to fix that a little bit. Roll the paper up a little bit. Now it looks better. Yeah, there we go. So that's our first task. The second task, now that we've done that, is to fold the paper so that the 2 points are coincident. So coincident, co means together, and incident means like being there or existing. And so coincident means sort of existing or being together. And what we want then is we want these 2 points to be together. We want them to be in the same spot. So we can, again, fold this over like that, and we want those 2 points to line up. This is all another good opportunity to look up at the light, get those things lined up, and then fold like that. And so you should have something that looks like this. It might be a little bit hard to see the creases on my paper, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of fold this over on the crease and put my pen in that crease and do that. And so now it's a little bit clearer. You can see those creases. So now that we've completed the folding, what I want you to do is take a look at this diagram, and I want you to write down some observations. Use complete sentences and use appropriate vocabulary. In particular, use some geometric vocabulary. So write down 2 or 3 observations. Don't worry if they seem obvious. Sometimes obvious observations are the best ones to make. But write a few down, and then I'll tell you how to submit those observations when it's done. All right, have fun.